Welcome to Auala.
Auala. Today we are heading off to Savaii and we're going by ferry. So this is us at the back of the ute again. Time is 6:07 and our va'a is 8 o'clock. We're early.
I'm so embarrassed I'm going in the van.
Another turn around. The bride of shame.
Oh, this is a good time to wear my hair, bro.
All the way to the front for us to get all the way to the back. Going in the van. They're like, who do these guys think they are?
Passengers.
Unreal. Oh my. We're going up. Man.
Is that a bin?
Yeah.
Hi everyone. Becca Koi. This will be my first time. Po, kau pako fa sa kuala. Pako fa sa kuala.
Make a sound for a whale.
See if we can find a
Dolphin!
Didn't have to.
Dolphins! Wee 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 wee!
Hi! Hi, Paul. Hi, Sam.
Me and my hat against the wind. My hair made it.
No space at all. They packed it real tight. Wheel. We arrived. We're in Savai'i.
That's my hometown, girl.
This is the boat that we were at. This is where people come out of the ferry. We're having chips and chicken.
We're having chicken and chips.
Oh, chicken and chips for breakfast. Only in Samoa.
For breakfast and lunch.
Okay guys, here is our Amoa chicken place in Salelologa.
We forgot someone, the youngest of the team. We'll find.
We'll go find the person we forgot.
A lost person.
Okay, lo sa mo solo muli mai kong ka ban. La ke ba awa ko ya na la ya no le aka kenya le. Le a taxi la mai a ngo muswa fa yo ba e ko mai a ba ngai ke bo mai ko su.
We weren't that far, Auntie.
Huh?
We weren't that far. We were just only just down there.
Okay, kenya le so.
Oh.
Kenya le. Masangi le a wala ngai mo.
Ya masangi na makeo mai a follow me ni nga po Ferry.
Judy! One job, Judy!
E mala ama ya la sawa. E mala ma ya ana solo solo. O ya la ma por ko mala ma ki ai. No mia la.
This is the nono fruit. just made a new friend. Look how nice! Wow! Should we go in under there? So cool. That's how you wanna go with Auntie? You wanna go with Auntie? Say hi! Afu Aau.
Afu Aau.
Afu Aau. Say bye. Oh, nice. Yeah. Jump, and then it looks like this little kids that's jumping over there.
Sao lại quẹo mà yêu la lấy đâu?
Nếu mà quay chi tiết thế, là luôn. Thế mai,
đây là quẹo này cái này ula, em mai ula cái này nhá.
ơi, yeah.
Pena tamasani ea ea, pena io ea ea, hola urosa tutasi, hola upuni matagi, ua ea velo ufatu, ai tu ula umama talo faila utifai moana, hola umma atausala. There's plenty of fish in the sea. There are plenty of trees in the wood. There are also plenty of birds flying in the sky.
Oh, Eva, we are here. I'll play bingo. So we're here in Eva. Is this your area, Dad? This is where Dad Kalai. This is where Dad Kalai. For those who don't know, my dad and I served in the same mission. Dad served here,
1992.
and I served here in 2019.
There's a pool down here,
Yeah.
so we used to swim.
Ekanga. Ekanga. Because it does. We're not allowed to.
There's the chapel here. This is Lanamalama.
This is the chapel. Welcome to Amoa Resort where we're staying. I don't know, it's warm, the water's warm, it's not cold. They're definitely sisters. Girl. Okay. Yeah, so this is the Lagoon of Amoa Resorts. Yeah, we feel. Welcome to Moa Moa. Ay, mga ya. If you fear, come po kay mo Moa Savai'i. Ready? I need to look at it one more time before I done. Ready? I'm gonna do. I like it, Hans. Let's go. Yeah, bye. Look, he's going already. Dang. For America! For America!
The camera's still on. The camera's still on.
Yeah, you go in there and then I went sometimes. He said after this one.
No, it's her scary moments. She is very scary.
We'll drag you down if you don't jump, so remember that. Yeah, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Jump. Answer, come here.
Sauro. Sauro.
Wow, mga ay, kayo magkano. Ay, malpuwa. Ay, malos. Ay, muy bye bye. Ay, muy bye bye. Ay, muy bye bye lang. Câu chuyện người xe phải lại ngược có kiểu ấy ai đấy. Oh, bro, so small. Mom, something big touchy my leg.
Good morning, Savai'i.
Hey, Manuia. Morning. Ah, eu não fui nela ali. Aqui no lugar aí.
Whoa! Go with Auala. The little ones just woke up from their fale, to see their auntie and uncle in the summer already.
Ya, baru lagi kira mak efek dia. Eh, pasawir ka mga lang. Galapungan lalo.
Vai ferver, mano.
My personal trainer is trying to tell me to do this. Yeah. Yeah. He's still at it. Yeah, my little dad. Oh, well. Okay. Guys, he's 50 plus years old and he's still going. Morning, Saulo. Saulo with his breakfast. Oh, sorry. Oh, isi na po. Yeah, masaya na mo. Yeah, I'll pull it. Breakfast, breakfast. You have Afu Aau. Laki. Mom, what did you have for breakfast? French toast. Hi guys, for breakfast we have papalisa, French toast, and sausages and a fly. Also, I've been sponsored by Nivea. Just kidding. That's the films. Here at Blue Lagoon Villas. Blue Lagoon Villas, and here's our villas with a beachfront. So we've been inland the whole time. And that's my dad over there kayaking. Yeah, let's tell him.
Nasa Amoa. Ali po, nasa Amoa mo tato. So ang Afu Aau.
Yeah, kameki Savai'i na. Yeah. Ay, ilebay say pipi. Say pipi. Ano say pipi there? This is say pipi, everyone. The whole time we've been here, we've been very blessed. Mom. Mga ka lekaw.
Beautiful weather here in Hawaii. Savaii.
Yeah, this is so good. If it's raining, it's very short and it's not very. It's nothing.
Yeah, Savaii.
Sasa'i.
We are going towards the Salelologa.
Yeah. And this is how they do the petrol. We have dedicated people to do the petrol for us. So we just need to wait. Amoa Resort. Welcome to Amoa Resort where we're not staying.
We stay here. And we
Amoa
have the
Resort.
second house.
So this is where half of our family is because bookings. Wow, look, they're right. Good morning, Tapumanaia. Tapumanaia girls. How pretty it is over here. Oh. Hi, Pippi. I got your charger, sorry. Look, they got a cot for her. And Ari's still sleeping. Sorry, cousin.
Oh.
Wow, your house is nice.
You should see there.
What?
Did you see one of the dancers?
No, I haven't. We just got here. The Salelologa, guys. This is where the lava fields are. See the lava? Auala lava fields. Yeah, we'll see the Ninja Turtles.
You want to live turtle?
Yes, Auala.
Lumako oi.
Alligator. Oh, y'all have fun. There's no alligators.
No, there's no alligators here. We don't have that here in the Pacific.
Maybe it flew here.
Such a big billow, bro.
Welcome to the wetlands. Welcome to the wetlands of Savai'i. Look how pretty. Did you see any?
Yeah, there's heaps here.
Really?
What did she say?
Nothing. Oh, you just have to, if you're gonna pick one up, just don't hold one from the neck. You have to hold it from both sides.
Okay.
Yes.
Hey, is here?
Oh, look at the turtle.
Is it Satolo Pai? Solo Pai?
Can you see the turtle down there?
Oh, it's a turtle.
There's a turtle.
I'm so scared.
Hello, May. Oh, that's so pretty. I'm gonna take one for the team. There's heaps of them.
Auntie, are you wearing your shoes? Yeah. What? No back doors now. Oh, there's no backing up.
Just
Oh, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming,
touch
it's coming.
the back. Wow. Can we see it?
I want to touch it. No. My shoes are slippery.
Okay. Sorry, I'm gonna go with my auntie.
Okay, I'm gonna run away.
No, I'll come with you later. Me and my auntie is going to kayak. Okay. And my auntie is going in. Look at my auntie water.
I see glasses.
Wow.
Yan ka, nga. Alright.
Can you push? Uncle, we're gonna fall.
Yeah, kaya lang oi kan.
No, I'm not.
Yan oi. Kan po pa ka.
Để sẽ ya cô lang hai phải đi.
Yeah, you see that?
In my shoes. So where do I face Uncle?
Huh?
Face that
This
side.
is way.
No, like
Tastes like mom.
No.
There's no place I'd rather be than on the Savaii, lingering in the ocean blue. And if I had I'd surf till the sun sets me on the horizon. Flying by on the Hawaiian roller coaster.
My dad and Kainga just finished their whole journey. That's so good. Ouch, ouch. Here's the turtle side. 17. And then here's the wetlands where we kayaked earlier. Ready, go.
We caught a turtle. It said don't touch its neck. Yes, it does. Ooh! Look how beautiful it is. Look at the turtle. Hey. Give it to her. She wants to take a picture. I'm so sorry. You're fine. Yeah. Take it. She's quiet. Ready? Set it. Let's go. Go closer. Are you swimming? Are you gonna swim with her? That wasn't that scary, eh? No, it's just it hits the thing, so you gotta hold it by the shell. Let him go. Let him go. We got out. Thank you so much. I'm just floating so I don't touch the boat. Alright, I'm done. Next destination. We got our picture.
The party bus. Right, the party bus ai. Hi, party bus.
Drinking taxi.
Back in the utes with my 2 cousins. Hi. Are we having fun so far?
The kayaking was so fun. Me and Uncle went around one last time.
I held the turtle.
We went.
Yes.
I did not.
So we were just at the wetland turtles. So if you're in Savai'i, highly recommend. Dirty Tala if you want to do both kayaking and turtle watching, swimming. But we're off to our next adventure, which is Asau. And where's Asau? Why is Asau so special to you guys?
Village.
Yeah. And the water there.
So nice.
Whoa! Trudy, stick your head out. Oh, you can't do this. I just like this view going down.
Manga?
There's the Savai'i Lalo. Oh. Damn, that's pretty. Oh wow. We are going somewhere. Look at these girls enjoying the beautiful village.
Wait, where are we going? Is this where our house is?
No, we go straight. Your house is there on your side?
Yeah, just the next village.
Oh, yeah. Hey. Yay!
These are my people!
The people are
They're my
waving.
cousins.
They're your cousins.
What, Judy? What, Judy? Yeah?
So familiar.
Kiki. Huh? Guys, this is the Vaika in Asau.
Yes!
Oh, guys, this is. Oh, bro, this Vai.
Up there more.
Yeah, it's down there. This is Asau. We're still in Asau.
I want to see
Guys,
our house.
we're gonna vlog the thing.
Geseki.
Geseki apple.
Geseki mai.
Right.
Apple. They so
Guys,
pretty.
this is Asau. Asau. So the pool is right there. The Vaika. Jadi, ke aka. So yeah, guys, we're now trying to plan what to do. Oh, they are getting out. So we were planning on going home and then come back, but everyone wants to swim now. Yeah, it's really sunny. Like Asau is a beautiful village, and like the Vaika is really nice.
Hi everyone, we're here at the Asau village pool. This is where half of my family are from, and just across from the pool we have the beach. That's so pretty. And then they have aunga pese, or choir practice over there, because it's Christmas. Almost every village in Samoa are just practicing, because every year, every Christmas, Samoa goes hard with their siva. Yeah, look at it. Hi.
This water's nice.
Yeah, I see it. What maulah maka Asau? Mama. Pai kako o ka. But look how manino this is. It's so clear. Sal, this is your dad's village. Is this your dad's village?
Yeah.
Hey, how come you're bringing your makas then? Why did you bring your makas for? Asau. Sal, there's no... Sal! You won't see it. Just look at me. Look, nothing's getting me. Nothing's No, they don't come for your bottles. Hi guys. I almost and I got to witness. No, I didn't. She thought I drowned. No, I just topped up water. It's so nice here, guys.
So nice.
All the villagers thinking who we are because they're like literally staring at us.
They're like, these people are not from our village. My mom and Uncle Mia's house.
So this is the Tapumanaia side.
Yes.
Guys, it's our family house. Welcome. Hi guys! Wow, okay, oi. We're having some snacks. These are one of the mission snacks that I always have. Magic creams. And then this is Sal's favorite. Mongi because she's Mongongi. Her face. Anyways, this is magic creams as a snack. Just showing you my mission snacks. This is what we looked on. Guys, I like these ones more than the red ones. You like this one or the red one? Yeah.
They redid the whole house. I'm taking a tour. I'm taking videos of the whole house.
That's so good. Hi, Baba. This is your family's house.
Huh?
This is Kaenga's house that she grew up in. Hey. Humble beginnings for our little cousin. Hey, Enna. This is where Enna stayed, Papa. Your big sister stayed here before you were born. It's crazy, hey? You used to live here. Any memories you have here?
Yeah.
What?
I used to walk around on that. Just walk on top of it. And throw the corals inside. Like the stick thing. Just go and throw them inside.
Like what? This is where we came here.
Yeah, when you were so little. With Irene, that time Irene, 냄새, Irene.
Oh yeah, when Irene was bold, like wow, kay models. Salut.
Welcome to Auala.
Auala Whoa, whoa. Next. So this is where our friends are from. All of our partners.
All of our...
Wedding partners, sorry.
Where's my panga?
Where's the banga?
He's outside. He's outside.
You can see that. Ang imi ay Asau. What? My fear. My fear. Guys, passport.
Did you hear what she said? The season.
Season.
The salt is in the summer.
We are eating on the Wharf.
Hey! Hi! Oh, okay.
No.
And then Mrs. Tapumanaia is here.
Best trip ever.
Insert clips of all the things she did. Insert the clips of all she did.
This is all the clip.
No, this is all the clips. Right here. I'm sorry. Sorry.
She's a happy baby.
Okay, next time you're here, you're gonna let your mom and dad kafau, okay? Okay, girl.
She will be strong next time.
Yeah, 5-month-old, man. Props to the moms and dad. It's okay, I did a vlog for you. Like, I was like, this is where Muffy and Irene could have been. No. Baby's leaving us. Say bye, vlogs. See you in Australia. There's some crabs here, like a lot. Like this morning. Apparently the big ones come out to play at night time. This is our homes. Oh yes, I forgot to tell everyone. We're at Blue Lagoon Villas. And right across we have this. This one right there. Yeah, let's see. Okay. E. So last night in Savai'i. Good night, everyone. See you tomorrow.